Welcome to Kickstart Cardio Week 2, Day 3. In this video, I will show you all of our moves for today and go through one round with you. The first move we have today is a squat with a rotation at the top. You want to make sure you're using your core to rotate your torso, your weights in your heels for the squat. Next we have a scissor run. We've done these a couple times. You can do anything with your arms. We just want to keep moving. And your weight's going to be in your toes. Now we have a plank up down. So you're going to go up and down, alternating each arm. These are hard, so remember you can do them on your knees as well. For our curtsy lunge, we want to make sure we're keeping a good speed. So you're keeping your heart rate up, keeping moving, weight in your heel on your front foot, and you're gonna kind of go into a little bit of a curtsy. Keep your knee aligned over your front leg. Then we have a jumping jack, but you're gonna do a little hop in the middle. I don't know why I'm laughing, but let's start working out.